How now, brown cow? All right, we ready? Yeah. Hello, Internet. Kevin here, one of the inventors of the Oil Udder, and I'm going to show you how to do a quick start guide on your Oil Udder. The Oil Udder attaches magnetically to the bottom of the filter. It comes pre-assembled. A very important note is there may be a lot more oil coming out of your filter than you might think, so be ready. When dealing with angled filters, you're going to want to open the filter very slowly, as well as position the Oil Udder in the best position to capture the flow. And again, it's very important to open it extremely slowly, because what you want to do is you want to create a trickle down the side of the filter. If you open it too quick, you can do a pour. Then you're just going to be covered in oil. For horizontal configurations, we have a different video. Check out our YouTube channel on that video. And lastly, when you're using it to catch the drain plug, you simply want to use the rubber cup around, reach your fingers in, and when you go ahead and drop that drain plug, it's going to go ahead and catch it, and the oil is going to flow where it needs to flow. And that is a quick start guide to the Oil Udder.